Semiconductor automation equipment are high-precision machines. Causes and repair process of semiconductor precision equipment failures are complex in nature, necessitating the support of equipment manufacturers to provide the needed parts, technology, and manpower. Average downtime from identifying the failure, investigation, repair, material preparation to completion of repair takes at least 1 week. Our team has developed the Meta Expert Operational Maintenance Wizard for automation equipment featuring the following functions: Meta Service Troubleshooting Module, Equipment Prognosis Module for marginal inspection, Hyperparameter Optimization Core Engine, and Resilience Time Series Data Synchronization Module. It offers a plethora of smart functions. At the same time, it facilitates the remote management of equipment health and oversees production sites to provide clients with process quality solutions.